Saturday. I don't know what day you're watching this on, but I hope that everyone is doing well. I kind of wanted to make like just a casual sit-down video, something that you guys and me could sit here and just kind of talk as if we were in person. So, I wanted to answer a question that I've actually received a few times now, which is, how do I condition clean my work boots? This happens to be one of my favorite pairs of wedge boots. This is a 6-inch wedge by Georgia Boots. And if you take a look at that video, don't watch it right now, watch it after this one. You'll have my partial review on these boots. You can't find them anywhere. And I gotta tell you, I love them. I love these boots. These are the most comfortable 6-inch wedge I've ever worn, and I've worn a lot. And most of you know me well enough by now to know that I love boots. I've got too many boots. I'm the one with the shoe closet. Now these boots are so comfortable, especially as many of you know, I just had my spinal fusion. So I want to keep these boots looking, feeling as great as possible for as long as possible. So let's go, let's condition these, and I hope they will outlive me. So I've got my little shoe cleaning box here, and in my box I've got all my little shoe things. Now for these boots we will be using a saddle soap first. This is by Bickman, and then we're going to be using just a general weatherproofing and conditioner, which I use on all my boots. To apply the saddle soap, we will be using some small round brushes. I don't remember what they're called. I don't really care. It's a small round brush. It works great to get everything inside and get a good lather. And for polishing the conditioner after we apply it will be one of these horsehair brushes. We've got a few of them. Yeah, let's get started. Now if you're not ready to condition your boots just yet, press pause, go get your boots, go get your kit. Oh, go order whatever you need to order on Amazon and then come back, okay? I'll wait for you. I got plenty to do on my phone. Oh. Now, while you were gone, I went ahead and I got a little dish of water, because in the dish of water, I even got a little lid too. Isn't that cute? Just kind of going with the theme of the video. My regulars know I have 6 kids. I like making kids. I love my kids, but the process is the best. This is a video about conditioning your boots. Let's go. Now, I forgot something. All right, I've dimmed the lights for us so we can be alone while polishing our boots. All right, now the first thing you're gonna do is take your rag and just wipe off the boots. Hopefully you already took off all the mud and the dirt and all the loose particles. All right, now you've got a nice dry, clean boot. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take our little brush, we're gonna dip it into the water. Then we take a wet brush and we work a little lather into that soap. Just work the lather. Got some lather. Now we take the lather, I always start on the toe, work that stuff in there, man. Ooh. The deeper the better. Just get that stuff in there, you know. Really shampoo it, the crap out of everything. And if you notice, a little bit goes a long way. Look at that nice lather there. So now that that's lathered up, we're going to take our rag, wipe that down. Now I've got a second brush that I use to get in and just take some of the excess off and just clean some of the other areas. This is basically my clean brush, whereas like let's say the other one was my application brush or my applicator. So the toe is now saddle soaped up. Let's do the rest of the body. We're going to lather the rest of the body. I'm a pretty messy applicator. So again, take your dry brush, just get in there and clean it up a little bit. Now that's one boot done. I'm gonna do the other boot now real quick. And then after that, we'll apply the conditioner / weatherproofing or whatever top coat you like to use. It's an easy process. And a lot of people are pretty particular about their boots. I'm not that particular about my boots. I'm very particular about my dress shoes, my Sunday shoes, my slip-ons, my loafers, those things, my wingtips. Those are the ones that I'm very particular about, but not really about my boots. The process can be pretty therapeutic if you're watching a show or a podcast or listening to an Audible. And by the way, that brings me to today's sponsor of the video. Nobody. No sponsor. Audible? I just said your name twice. Maybe there should be. Audible. Give me a ring. That was kind of gross. All right, next shoe. I think the lathering is my favorite part. There's a lot of crazy things going on in the world today, huh? A lot of it's very unnecessary. I know that you all know that. You've got a lot of friends out there in Australia, friend in Norway now, Iceland, Sweden. I don't know a lot of these places. I'm sorry guys, I'm not a world person, but I love hearing from all of you. Literally, I love hearing from all of you guys. So whether you need to clean your boots or not, I hope you're watching this video just to spend some time with me and say hello, right? I think that's kind of what it is. I'm saying hello to you, and I love when a lot of you say hello to me. Because eventually, we're going to have to join together here around the world. Because there's crazy stuff happening. Crazy stuff. And we the people. I'm wearing this shirt. This is a We the People holster shirt. I'm not using my We the People's holster right now. I actually really love the holster I'm using right now. But I'm wiping off the excess saddle soap so my boots don't look like a dope. Now usually most wedge sole boots have a white wedge. I love that this one's got this black wedge with just a tiny little white stripe on the bottom. I love that. So I usually clean that with like a magic eraser. Those Mr. Clean magic erasers? They work great in keeping your white wedge sole white. Now for those of you wondering, I'm carrying the Glock 43X. It happens to be my favorite 9mm of all time, to the point where I bought two. And it is such a great gun for me, for a woman, for any size person. It is a phenomenal handgun. I love it to death, and I'm not a Glock fanboy at all, not by any means. My other favorite carry is my Kimber Ultra Carry 2 in 45 ACP. So you really do want to get most of that saddle soap off. But if it dries on there, it's not a problem at all. Just brush it a little more. I really take good care on that little thread right there in between the sole and the boot, because I like that to be clean. Now guys and gals, remember, these aren't my work boots. These are my putz around all day, going to things, doing things. Comfortable. I might be working, I want a protective toe, but I want something comfortable all day. That's this boot. It really is sad they don't make this anymore. So Georgia boots, if you guys are watching, this boot is phenomenal. I'm sure you've got something else like it, a 6-inch wedge sole that you've done, but this little black sole on a nice brown boot body, woo-wee, it is sharp. I get compliments everywhere I go in these. Seriously. All right, now both boots are saddle soaped up. They're in good shape. Now some people like to let that dry before doing anything else. Others like to just leave it at that. Saddle soap's done, they're kind of conditioned. Saddle soap is a cleaner, conditioner, protectant all in one. It doesn't do everything the best, but it does everything well. But I'm going to apply a conditioner now because I want to maintain these boots for the long term. Now you can buy conditioner anywhere. Buy it online at Amazon. So this one is brown, that one is clear. I'm going to be using the brown conditioner and weatherproofing. Now you can use a microfiber cloth for this part, but I'm just using rags from old t-shirts. Now I'm going to apply some of the conditioner. Just want to get it in there evenly. And I'm just going to keep working that conditioner in there a little bit. Just get it everywhere, get it nice and even. Now when you're done applying the conditioner to the entire boot, you want to take one of your large brushes and just lightly buff it out. That'll kind of get that conditioner in there deeper into the leather, and it'll give it kind of a smoother look. All right, so both. You know I'm putting that in.
No, you're not.
Gotcha. Okay. So I don't know why I chose to do this video here in the hallway. I kind of just wanted to do a different setting for you, like a casual setting, just sitting in my house in the hallway. So no, tell me what you think. So now both boots are done. That's what they look like. Man, they are sharp looking. Georgia made a beautiful boot. This is a very well-made boot. I'm very happy with it. I'm sure there's going to be those occasions where you have one that splits at the seams or something happens, but overall this has been a really good boot. Now my other recommendation is I want to steer you all to Kodiak boots, okay? Go look at my videos of the couple of Kodiak boots. I've got about 5 or 6 pairs of them now, and a couple of sneakers that I still have to review for you guys that Kodiak has sent me. I love Kodiak boots. I love them. So these would be my 2 favorite boot companies so far, Georgia and Kodiak boots. So I hope that quick video helped all of you, but more or less, I'm glad you guys spent a little time with me. It was nice hanging out with you, right? Right? Right?
Oh, just so you know, I thumbs down your video.
You did? You thumbs downed one of my videos? So thanks again for watching, everybody. I'm Adam. What are you watching?
No, stop.
He's watching my video. He's watching me.
I disliked it.
You disliked my video?
Uh-huh.
He thumbs downed my video. My son thumbs downed my video.
Your cat, how nice.
Yeah. So that's a quick video for you guys. I hope you're doing well. I'm going to have to go put my feet up because sitting in this position is really starting to hurt my back and my legs from the spinal fusion. But this has been the longest I've been able to sit in this kind of position. Now, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. Tap that like and the bell button so you can receive notifications every time I release a new video. I'm Adam. This is the New Woodworker, and I'm on a journey, and I would love for you to come with me. Thanks. It's always best coming together. Because coming alone is not quite as enjoyable. See y'all.